and welcome to Courage TV. So on this episode, I have my buddy here, Nitin.
Favorite son.
I don't have any
brag.
favoritism.
Not to brag or anything.
No, I don't have any favoritism. All are equal. Sorry, baby. I love you too. But what do you like to know today?
I want to know how you make mango salsa.
Mango salsa, is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. So his brother liked guacamole. So I hope you guys saw that recipe. If not, please go back and see that recipe. He did a fantastic job. Nitin, you want to know how to make?
Mango salsa.
Mango salsa. You know how simple that is?
Yeah.
It's easy peasy.
Just mango.
Alright, so let's introduce them to our ingredients. This is 2 Roma-sized tomato diced, de-seeded, right? And this is, if you go to Costco, Winco, any Coast, you might be able to see cherry tomatoes in different colors. This is just 5 or 6 of them that I've split them in half, and that's that. A little bit of garlic, spring onion, cilantro, half of a white onion diced, jalapeno, and mango. You also like the kiwi recipe too. The mango kiwi salsa. I'll show you next time. Alright, into a mixing bowl. And of course we need lime and salt to taste. Alright? So Nitin is going to do all the hard work here. I have cut up all everything. Oh, he's getting ready. Look at him. Okay, Nitin. We're going to need all of this tomatoes. That's it. Good job. Right? This is 2 Roma-sized tomato along with cherry tomatoes. Right? This is 5 to 8, depending on the size that you like. And we need 1 tablespoon of garlic. Spring onion is up according to your taste. I like a little bit of green somewhere there, right? So that's 1.5 tablespoon. And cilantro. Now this is the main thing that actually gives that salsa look. So that is 3 tablespoons. We need mango. This is not really ripe and soggy. It has its texture holding in. And I'm just going to be adding 1, 2, 3, and 4. So mangoes are going overboard here. And a little bit of jalapeno for the kick. Right? You like the kick? Okay. So that's 3 tablespoons of jalapenos. And we need about 1/4 cup of white onion. The reason why I added white is to give a good contrast to this recipe. If you like red onion, go for it. Alright? Next, what you're going to do is salt to taste, which is about 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
I can't show you something.
Nitin, you're such a naughty guy. Okay, the secret ingredient that I usually put in is chaat masala. Just a tad bit. Right? That's it. That's my ingredient. Yeah?
That's it.
Shall we give it a mix? Let's give it a mix. Squeeze in a little bit of lime.
I'll squeeze it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna squeeze
you do that. Squirt it all around, baby. Get it all up in there. Work that magic. Yeah?
Let's
Our
try it.
mango salsa is ready. Shall we try it?
Yeah.
I'll take
Can't
one
wait.
this. I'll go for the mango and the tomato.
Mmm.
Hmm?
Mmm.
Hmm? Now you know how to make your favorite
Yeah.
salsa. Ooh. Nice. This is a spicy, savory type of salsa that you need. The chaat masala really kicked it in.
And the juice at the very bottom.
Now, if you don't know where to buy your chaat masala, go to your Indian grocery store. They'll have a variety of chaat masalas there. But thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. We'll see you next time. Do you want to say something?
No, bye-bye.
No?
No.
So I do. Subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and hit that bell icon and share button and share this among with all your friends and family. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. See you next time, babe. Bye.